Good morning. The time is 9:03 a.m. Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. The news headline: PDP mocks Buhari, APC over Amaechi's alleged graft remarks. The news info: the People's Democratic Party (PDP) yesterday said that the remarks reportedly made by Minister of Transportation Chibuike Amaechi about alleged silent looting in President Muhammadu Buhari's administration is a confirmation of the massive corruption in the government. The party claimed that the APC administration has been providing official cover for corrupt officials who have turned government agencies to cash cows and automated teller machines for themselves, their cronies, family members, and mistresses. The PDP, in a statement by its National Publicity Secretary, Kola Ologbondiyan, noted that the situation as presented by Amaechi shows that quiet stealing is a policy of the APC administration. It continued, "This explains why the administration is heavy on propaganda and has failed to prosecute its officials and APC leaders openly indicted for corruption, but only resorts to easing out such chiefs with a pat on the wrist." The main opposition party said the comment by Amaechi exposed why the APC administration has failed to recover the over 25 trillion naira reportedly stolen by APC leaders in various government agencies. It added that Nigerians are now having a clearer picture on how the 9.3 trillion naira, as detailed in the reported NNPC memo, was stolen, and how over 2 trillion was allegedly siphoned under fraudulent subsidy regime, as well as the 1.1 million naira worth of crude oil was reportedly stolen using 18 unregistered vessels. This is in addition to the revelation by the National Security Advisor (NSA) General Babangana Monguno, retired, that billions of naira meant for security under the APC could not be traced. Nigerians now know how billions of naira reportedly stolen from various agencies, including the National Health Insurance Scheme (NHIS) and National Emergency Management Agency (NEMA), in which a very top APC government official was indicted, as well as the 500 billion naira social investment program fund, as revealed by First Lady Aisha Buhari, were siphoned. The party further said Amaechi's remarks had also explained the circumstance surrounding the alleged stealing of 165 billion naira in the Nigerian Sports Authority under his ministerial purview, the 1.5 trillion and 9.5 million reportedly stolen from Nigeria Maritime Administration and Safety Agency (NIMASA), the $65 million, which equals 31 billion naira, frittered from the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria (FMBN), as well as the 90 billion naira looted from the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS), among others. This is in addition to the alleged secret looting of huge parts of foreign loans and repatriated funds placed at the disposal of the APC and its administration. The time is 9:07 a.m. The analysis: just some few months ago, the Nigerian Ports Authority probe actually said corrupt PDP is unfit to attack Buhari's anti-graft fight, says APC, where the ruling party All Progressive Congress (APC) slammed the People's Democratic Party for its attempt to rubbish the anti-corruption credentials of the President Muhammadu Buhari administration, following the decision of administration to begin a routine administrative probe of the Nigerian Ports Authority (NPA). In one of the statements issued by the APC, by their National Secretary of its Caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee CECPC, Senator John James. He said that read the nonsensical statement by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) against the prominent leader and Minister of Transportation Chibuike Rotimi Amechi and the suspended Managing Director of Nigerian Ports Authority (NPA) Hadiza Bala Usman in connection with the routine administrative inquiry approved by President Muhammadu Buhari into the activities of Nigerian Ports (NPA). The APC said that it also notes the shameful attempt by the PDP to drag Amechi's wife, who has never held public office and is not a politician. Even the totally debased PDP, that was a whole new low. Apparently, the PDP is still living in their alternate reality in which corruption aided by their family members and cronies has approved statecrafts. APC recalled that while inaugurating the panel on Monday to probe activities of the Nigerian Ports Authority, the Transportation Minister was clear that no one has been indicted of anything, adding that the probe is in line with the routine discharge of the duties and functions of the Ministry of Transportation's supervisory mandate over the NPA. Part of the APC statement reads that the fact that the APC-led government of President Buhari approved the probe of the Nigerian Port Authority is a clear testimony of the President's belief in transparency, good governance, and adherence to the rules in public service. It further reinforces the President Buhari's zero tolerance for corruption in his administration. However, the PDP are against all the memos and statements from the APC party, saying that the party claimed to be APC has been providing official cover for corrupt officials who have turned the government agencies to cash cows and ATMs for themselves, their family members, and mistresses, and that is why they feel pleased not to justify the allegations, rather to come against their party via a press statement. It continues that this explains why the administration is heavy on propaganda and has failed to prosecute its officials and all APC leaders who have been openly indicted for corruption. Their main opposition, which is the PDP, said that the comment by Amechi has exposed why the APC administration has failed to recover over 25 trillion naira reportedly stolen by the APC leader in various offices. The PDP also pointed out some strategic and important allegations of money laundering by the APC party, noting that the NNPC memo was stolen and how 2 trillion naira was allegedly siphoned under fraudulent subsidy regime, as well as about 1.1 million naira worth of crude oil was reportedly stolen using 12 unregistered vessels. They also added to it that the National Security Advisor, retired General Babangana Moguno, whereby the man noted that billions of naira meant for security under the APC regime could not be traced. And this is the news for today. The time is 9.